Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. As you can see, I'm following some people here. If you're following hundreds or even thousands of accounts, clearing all of them out can be quite a task. To do this, we need help from TikTok themselves. Keep watching to see how. When you're on your TikTok profile, click on the down arrow in the top right corner. Next, click on Gear icon. Scroll down until you see Report a Problem and click on it. This will take you to a new page. Look for My Account and Profile and click on it. Next, click on Editing Profile and then scroll down until you see Other. Click on Other and then click on Need More Help? Here, you need to write a message to TikTok. Type something like, "Please help me to unfollow everyone on my TikTok account." Once you have written your message, click on Report. Now, you will need to wait for TikTok to see your report and hopefully assist you in unfollowing everyone on your account. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a great day.